7 skills to master if you want to be rich. Ever wonder what skills most millionaires have? It's not about luck or being born into a wealthy family. Get ready to learn these essential skills if you want to make your first million or billion. Now, we are going to learn 7 skills that you must master to become wealthy. To change not only our bank accounts, but also our life, we will need real, practical skills. But wait, we have a surprise giveaway planned for you. You can win a $10 gift card to Google Play or Amazon. For a chance to win one of 3 $10 gift cards for Amazon or Google Play, watch our mind-blowing video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Here's how to participate. 1. Watch our video all the way through. 2. Tell us in the comments what you enjoyed most about the video. 3. Click the subscribe button to keep up with our motivational content. 3 lucky winners will be randomly selected. Stay inspired and determined, and let's build a community of people committed to prosperity and success. Good luck to everyone who is participating. May you always have a chance to win. Let's begin with the video. 1. Discipline. Discipline would be discussed as the most crucial skill on our first list of skills. It not improves just your financial accomplishments, but rather additionally your regular routine objectives. Making difficult choices like working on your business plan or attending seminars instead of socializing is necessary for financial success. It involves putting in time and effort, even when outcomes aren't immediate. To develop discipline, you must be aware of your strengths and weaknesses. The first step towards personal development and overcoming our weakness is to recognize and acknowledge them. Everything depends on being consistent in the right direction. 2. Self-motivation. As we want to fuel our vehicle to arrive at our objective, and without it we can't. Similar to this, self-motivation is essential to our success, and without it, it will be extremely challenging. For self-motivation, here are a few suggestions. First, we should visualize our goals. To make your goals come true, a powerful strategy is to visualize them. You can boost your motivation, focus, and clarity by vividly visualizing the outcomes you want. While visualizing, submerge yourself in certain feelings like happiness, energy, and satisfaction. 3. Focus. Create a quiet work environment and disable notifications to reduce distractions in order to maintain focus in a world filled with distraction. Practice care and reflection to prepare your brain to remain present and overlook interruptions. Effectively prioritize tasks that establish clear goals. Establish a routine for focused work and accept single tasking. Take care of your physical health, practice self-discipline, and make use of visual aids and reminders. Learn from distractions by reflecting on them. You can sharpen your focus and accomplish your goals despite competing distractions with consistent practice. There is a statement of Marcus Aurelius in which he said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." Realize this and you will find strength. 4. Reading and continuous learning. In today's world, information and money are both valuable assets that can be invested in. You can stay up to date on industry trends, emerging technologies, and new opportunities by pursuing knowledge and continuous learning. It empowers you to coordinate with similar people, go to gatherings or studios, and associate with specialists in your field. Books on self-help, biography, and motivational subjects provide useful insight for personal growth and development. By exercising your brain through learning, such as enrolling in online courses, you strengthen your mental capacity and expand your knowledge base. 5. Learning to market and sell. You can improve your selling and marketing skills by staying up to date on the most recent trends, strategies, and best practices in the industry. Take the time to learn about your target audience's challenges, preferences, and needs. Develop buyer personas to gain insight into their demographics, behaviors, motivations, and pain points. This knowledge will inform your market and selling strategies, enabling you to tailor your message and offerings effectively. 6. Learning to outsource. To outsource effectively, first identify the specific area of your business you want to outsource. Consider tasks that are time-consuming, beyond your expertise, or require specialized skills. Next, prioritize clear communication with the outsourcing provider. Ensure they have efficient communication channels and are responsive to your queries and concerns. Establish clear expectations for updates, progress reports, and feedback to maintain a smooth collaboration. 7. Money management. Money management is crucial for success. Improve your skills by learning effective budgeting to understand income, expenses, and savings. Explore investment opportunities and educate yourself on strategies for building wealth. Make your money work for you and strive for long-term financial growth. With effective money management, you can achieve financial freedom and use your resources as tools to reach your goals. By developing strong money management skills, you gain control over your finances and can make informed financial decisions. This ability to effectively manage your money sets the foundation for a secure and prosperous future. That concludes our discussion of the 7 skills you need to master to become wealthy. In the meantime, keep growing, learning, and never stop pursuing your goals. See you guys in the next video.